have arrived to Acireale today, and it's still locked down in Sicily, and actually it's a perfect time to travel because there's no one anywhere. The bad side is that everything is closed, or almost, so you can't really get into these tourist places. But let's see what this is about. Acireale is famous for its carnivals in February, but also for its pizza. I will not name any pizzerias, but just Google Pizzeria Acireale and you will find them. So let's see what this is about, and the only masquerade carnival mask we will use